A lot of students ask me that how they should start answers in round 1 IELTS speaking. So round 1 basically is a warm-up session. It is known as introductory round also. Examiner is going to ask you basic questions regarding your hometown, introduction, name, and there could be one or two general topics also. So round 1 is obviously first impression, and that has to be very positive. But make sure you just give to the point answers. Your answers should be of 2 to 3 lines only. Don't give one word or one line answers. Elaborate them little bit, but don't overstretch them. So for example, if examiner is going to ask you something about colors and he or she says, which is your favorite color? So describe which is your favorite color and then also explain why you like it. So my favorite color, for example, is red. And the reason why I like this color is because I get a lot of compliments when I wear something in red. Moreover, it's symbol of love and energy. Whenever I wear it, whenever I see something in red, I feel a lot of positivity. So I have explained it. I have not overstretched it. The same strategy you need to follow in round 1. However, in round 3, which is known as discussion round, you need to elaborate your answers. You need to express more deeply and show the examiner that you have the ability to speak at length.